Hey everybody, it's Jeff with ID10T Garage, here with my handy shop dog Sprocket, who is literally can only be a couple feet away from me without throwing a large hissy fit, but that's the way it goes. In this week's episode, we're going to do a lot of sanding and getting things prepped to start doing body work. We just need to get a lot done. There's so much going on with this car, and some of it's boring and tedious, but you know, that's the way it goes. So I'm showing everything I can. It's not going to be an exciting video, but you can see what is going to happen when you remove this much old paint and so on and so forth. So let's get to it.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say.
Hey everybody, we're out here. Been working on filling these lead fill areas. They're getting there, they're getting closer, but in the meantime I'm going to take a break from that. My buddy's going to come over probably later this week to work on it, to help me with it, and I'm going to go ahead and start getting this roof sanded down. Hey everybody, we're back out here, and I've decided that I am going to strip the roof down to bare metal. I mean, the whole car has basically been, you know, new sheet metal and everything, so we need to get rid of it. So that's what I'm going to do. I got some stripping discs. I got these off of Amazon, but they're just some strip discs that are supposed to be really good for this without messing up your actual metal. So I'm about to get to work just getting this the rest of the way, because there's just so many layers and the 80 grit sandpaper just wasn't cutting it. So that's what we're about to get to. Well, it's working, but whew, man, is this stuff thick. So many layers. But it is taking forever to cut through this stuff, and it is tedious. But slow progress. I might have to get some aircraft paint remover, because I mean, this process is obviously, you're getting dust everywhere and it's just a giant mess, and God knows how toxic some of this could be. I don't know if this is original paint or not, so it could be lead based, who knows. So I don't know. Hey everybody, we're back out here. I'm about to finish up this roof. We get this clean and strip disc replaced, and we're going to try to get this done. The last time I was doing it, it was working pretty decently. It is slow because there's probably like 8-9 layers on here, and obviously you can see it's just making a mess everywhere. But I was also having breathing problems. My respirator is kind of broke, so it wasn't going so well for me. So I've went ahead and got a new respirator, and I'm about to get to work on this. So let's get to it. Alright, so we finally got the majority of the paint off the roof. I need to probably take the DA and kind of work down a little bit more, because there's still some spots I didn't get, and you can kind of feel them, and they're raised up because it was so thick. But we got the majority off there. It looks a little rough, but it's pretty smooth. But as you can see, there is dust everywhere, and I've vacuumed up a lot of this stuff multiple times, and as you can see, the whole everything is just just piles of this stuff. That tells you how thick this stuff was on. So it's a good thing to go ahead and do this. That way we didn't have that much buildup on the roof. So, but yeah, just wanted to show everybody what was going on, and about to start doing some more cleanup. Peace. Hey, thanks everybody for tuning into this week's episode. As you saw, we got quite a bit done when it came to removing the paint. There was a lot of damn paint on that roof. I would say 3 coats of the base were on there, 3 separate coats. So, you know, there was 2-3 layers of primer in between each one. So that's why I decided to finally just go ahead and take it down to bare metal. I just didn't want that buildup on the roof, and then to put more on it. So we'll probably in the next episode put some primer on it. I've got an Eastwood roll-on kit. And no, just in case you're wondering, Sprocket is not out here when I work. I would not do that to my dog. He is, you know, spoiled, to say the least. He just has to stay inside in his kennel and yip while I work. So, other than that, thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment. Hopefully I get a little bit better content coming soon. Unfortunately, you know, when you're doing these things, it takes a while, and I've just been super busy, you know, with some other things. Yeah, still trying to get these quarters flushed out with the Bondo, or the Everfill, or whatever it is, the fiber infused Bondo stuff from Evercoat. We're working on it. My buddy's supposed to come help me with a little bit more so we can get that finished up. But we'll see you next week.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till